Hey guys, today we're showcasing the FE airplane script. I will have the script linked in the description, but it's like this, and it is FE, but it's really cool. And look, you you can control the speed by pressing this. It's an airplane. It's a remote control. And look, watch. And you can bang. Okay, I gotta. Sorry. And you can like hit people with it, and it actually hurts them. Like actually, and they can see that it hurts them. So it's not FE, but it kind of is. So yeah, that's it. I'll have the script linked in the description, and bye.